Hey guys, how's it going? How to build an image library on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure to buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, visit the link in the description box. So, what we gotta do, if you want to build an image library on Hostinger, first of all, you need to access the media library. In the builder, click on website settings in the bottom left and select media library. Okay, and in the media library you can find all your files and folders and manage them, like upload files, create folders, rename files in folders, move files between folders, view file details, add alt text to image files, and delete files in folders. And you're gonna see right here, viewing the files, you're gonna see the details, right? You can select right here to see details and click on it to see more details, such as the file path or dimensions. Okay, like this. Let me know in the comments with this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.